Welcome, fam. You woke up feeling like your body's carrying a weight you can't name. Your chest is tight, your shoulders heavy, and your mind already racing. Before you scroll, before you pour the coffee, pause. Your nervous system needs a reset, not a rush. Let's hit the mat. Come down to your knees, widen them slightly, and fold your torso forward. Let your arms stretch long and tuck them gently by your sides. Now breathe into that space between your ribs. Child's pose isn't just a stretch, it's a surrender. When life feels loud, this is the quiet your body craves. I promise, 60 seconds here can drop your heart rate, soften your spine, and signal to your brain that it's okay to let go. Beginners, stack your fists and rest your forehead. Advanced stretches, sink your hips deeper, reach longer. Still feel tension in your back? Try one deeper breath. There it is. That just calmed your spine. Now let's bring movement into your breath. Come into tabletop, hands under shoulders, knees under hips. Inhale, arch your back, lift your chest. Exhale, round your spine, tuck your chin. Let your breath lead this movement, not your muscles. This isn't just mobility, it's rhythm restoration. I promise, syncing your breath with movement regulates your nervous system and clears the mental fog before the day even starts. Your spine has over 120 joints. This wakes up nearly all of them. Now challenge yourself. Slow this next round by 50%. Feel every inch of the motion. Let's build on this with stillness and strength. Lower onto your belly, elbows under shoulders. Lift your chest gently, gaze forward or down. This isn't a back bend, it's a heart opener. I promise, Sphinx strengthens posture muscles and softens your belly, where most of us hold unspoken stress. Beginners, keep your hips heavy and neck relaxed. Advanced stretches, press through the palms for a subtle lift. Still bracing your stomach? Try softening your breath. That just lifted your chest. Now let's unwind the tension in your upper back. Come back to tabletop. Thread your right arm underneath your left, resting your shoulder and ear to the mat. Twist until you feel a gentle pull between your shoulder blades. This is where emotional weight hides, in the places we can't quite reach. I promise, this one twist releases trapped tension and opens your upper back for deeper breath and better posture. Beginners, keep your hips stacked. Advanced stretches, extend the top arm overhead. Now breathe into that tight spot between your spine and scapula. 5 more seconds. Let's release the other side. Don't skip this one. Same setup. Now thread your left arm under your right. This might feel deeper or tighter. That's not a problem. It's a message. This side of your body may have been carrying more than you realized. I promise, the stretch improves circulation through the shoulders, softens tension in the traps, and helps you let go, physically and emotionally. Still holding your breath? Let it go right now. That's it. Start on all fours, stack your wrists under your shoulders and knees into hips. Now lift your right knee out to the side like you're opening a car door without shifting your weight. This move looks odd, but I promise it fires up your glutes, stabilizes, and deep mobility all at once. It's a kind of control you can feel instantly and carry into your next movement. Beginners, keep the lift small and slow. Advanced switches, add a pulse or pause at the top for 2 seconds. Do you feel your hips start to wake up? If not, press into the ground more with both palms. 5 more seconds. Let's balance this out. Same position, switch sides. Lift your left leg with control, not speed. Keep your core engaged and spine neutral. Most people lose hip control as they age. This helps you fight that loss and restore freedom. I promise consistent activation like this makes walking, squatting, and even sitting feel easier. Beginners, think range of motion first, not height. Advanced switches, keep both elbows locked and try a hold at the top. Here's a question. Are your hips moving or is your spine compensating? Stay with it 5 more seconds. That lit up the match. Now let's fan the fire. Lie on your back, knees bent, feet flat, drive through your heels and lift your hips toward the sky. Pause at the top, then lower slowly. This isn't just a glute move. It's a spine stabilizer and energy igniter. I promise waking up your posterior chain like this improves posture, relieves back tightness, and makes your core work like a team. Beginners, keep your arms flat by your sides. Advanced switches, add a squeeze and pulse at the top. Most people with core issues really just have sleepy glutes. Push through your heels and hold for 5 more seconds. Your hips are awake. Now let's restore their rotation. Sit on the floor, feet flat in front of you, knees bent. Drop your right knee towards your left foot, then come back to center and over to the other side. This is where control meets release. I promise it resets sticky hips, improves your squat depth, and even unlocks lower back relief. Beginners, keep your hands behind you. Advanced switches, try it without using your arms for support. Can you feel your hips gliding or are they resisting? This is where progress lives, right in the discomfort. Let go 5 more seconds, just a little smoother. Rotation unlocked. Let's finish with rhythm. Come to a tall kneeling or stand tall if that's more comfortable. Now circle your hips all the way around. Slow, controlled, intentional. Switch directions halfway through. This might feel silly, but I promise this move reclaims flow. It resets your relationship with your pelvis, your spine, and even your breath. Beginners, go wide and slow. Advanced switches, tighten the circles and isolate your control. Here's your final challenge. Make each side circle smoother than the last. Which direction feels harder? That's the one your body needs. 5 more seconds, then pause right in the center. Let's drop into pigeon pose on the right. Right knee forward, shin angled, slide the left leg back and gently fold forward. This pose is a mirror. Whatever you've been storing emotionally or physically, your hips will tell on you here. I promise, opening your hips in the morning clears out built-up tension that's been hiding in your posture, breath, and even your mood. Beginners, use a block or pillow under the right glute. Advanced stretches, sink lower and breathe into the floor. Here's a wild fact. Your hips are neurologically connected to your fight or flight response. When you open them, your body starts to feel safe again. Stay for 5 more seconds. That is cracked open your right side. Now let's see what your left is holding. Switch sides. Left knee forward, right leg long. Settle in, soften down. This side might feel tighter, and that's okay. Each side holds a different story. Do you feel the pull in your glute? That's your body saying, finally. I promise, if you commit to this posture daily, you'll walk lighter, stand taller, and breathe deeper. Beginners, stay upright and stack your hands under your chest. Advanced stretches, lay your torso flat and hold it like you mean it. Still fidgeting? That's resistance leaving your nervous system. Let it leave. Now that your hips have released, it's time to lengthen the chain. Come to your feet, hinge from the hips, let your arms hang, and allow your head to drop heavy. This is where gravity becomes your ally. We sit too much, stress too much, and stretch too little. I promise, this one move decompresses your spine, lengthens your hamstrings, and calms your mind almost instantly. Can't touch your toes? No shame. Bend your knees. More flexible? Try grabbing opposite elbows and swaying. This isn't the last time you'll meet this position in today's flow. Hold 5 more seconds. Can you feel that release behind your knees? That just unlocked your lower back. Now let's hit the ground and double it. Sit down with legs straight in front of you. Flex your feet, inhale tall and exhale as you reach forward without forcing it. This isn't about touching your toes, it's about meeting your body where it is. I promise, the stretch tells your hamstrings, nervous system, and spine you're safe to slow down. Beginners, grab behind your thighs or shins. Advanced stretches, fold deeper and breathe through the sensation. Still can't reach far? That's not failure, it's feedback. Can you lengthen just 1 inch further? Just 5 more seconds. Now that your hamstrings are awake, we're sealing it all with the powerful finish. Bring the soles of your feet together, knees wide, sit tall, then gently press the knees down as you hinge forward. This is your anchor. I promise, butterfly opens the inner hips, balances your pelvis, and restores your emotional baseline before the chaos of the day begins. Beginners, sit on a pillow. Advanced stretches, chest to heels. Can you press your knees just 1 inch closer to the ground? How's your breath right now? If it's steady, you're winning. This one closes the loop and centers everything you just released.